First, I will teach you how to check for hardware problems. Many computer problems are caused by hardware failures or problems with hardware drivers. Windows will usually notify you about devices that have a problem. Before that, I will demo to you first how to find the device manager in many different ways. Click the Windows Start menu in the lower left corner. Type Control Panel. Double-click the Control Panel in the Windows Start menu. Click Hardware and Sound. Click Device Manager below Devices and Printers. The second way is the shortcut. Just search Device Manager here. Then double-click a specific device. Any errors with the device will be some yellow triangle, like for example this image. One issue here, as you can see in my example, is saying that the Bluetooth has an issue. Double-click. And it says, Windows has stopped this device because it has reported a problem. Go ahead and click the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Click Search automatically. It will search if there's an available to us to get rid of the yellow icon in the Bluetooth device and work our Bluetooth again perfectly. Eventually, it will be downloading driver software, and it will be installing. As I expected, Windows have successfully updated your device. Click Close and the issues are now gone. If you have more than one issue, do the same thing. If it is not working, come back another time and try again. Another thing to diagnose computer problems is to check for any graphics problems. If your computer can boot properly, but you notice graphics problems, this may indicate driver failures or hardware failures with graphics cards. If you suspect there might be a problem with your graphics card, you should first update your graphics card drivers. If you don't know your computer's graphics card's name, this is how you find it. Open Start, click the Windows logo in the bottom left corner of the screen. Run the dxdiag command. Type in dxdiag and click the purple and yellow dxdiag icon at the top of the Start window. Click the Display tab. It's at the top of the window. Find your graphics card's name. Review the text in the name section that's on the upper left side of the window. This is your graphics card's name as recognized by your computer. At this point, you can close the window. Now let's head on to updating graphics card drivers. Open Start window. Search Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters heading. Click the arrow icon to the left of this heading or double-click the heading. Select your graphics card. Click the heading which has the same name as your computer's graphics card to do so. Click the Update button. It's a black box with an upward-facing green arrow. Click automatically to update driver software. This option is at the top of the pop-up window. If Device Manager reports that the graphics card is up to date, you can click Search Windows Update to determine whether or not a system update is available. Last but not least, check any newly installed software. Some software may require more resources than the system can provide. Chances are that if a problem begins after software starts, the software is causing it. If the problem appears directly upon startup, it may be caused by software that starts automatically on boot. Uninstall any recently installed programs and see if the problem continues. You may also want to limit the number of startup programs. Open Task Manager. To open, right-click. click the Startup tab, select a program. Click the name of the program that you want to disable. You can see a program's impact on your computer's startup speed to the right of the program's name keys in the bottom right corner of the window. Doing so will prevent the program from turning on the next time that you start your computer. If you want to turn back on a disabled program, you can select it and then click Enable in the bottom right corner instead.